Hello, everybody. Today we are going to be going over Uranus. So in your Edmodo, go to the post that says Uranus. We have the link for the reading. We have my email that you can send your assignments to. And we have the practice questions. So let's take a look at Uranus. All right. So, Uranus is named for the Greek god of the sky, the father of Saturn, and it was discovered in 1781. So it's faint because it's very far away. Its distance from the sun is 1.8 billion miles. So it takes a photon or a particle of light from the sun about 2 hours and 40 minutes to reach Uranus. Uranus orbits the sun once about every 84 years. So its orbital period is 84 Earth years. So it's a lot like Jupiter and Saturn. It is composed in part of hydrogen and helium. There's a thick layer of gas on the outside. Farther on the inside, there's liquid, but Uranus has a higher percentage of icy materials than Jupiter and Saturn. So these are not just water, but they're also frozen ammonia and methane. Uranus has a blue-green color because its methane clouds are going to filter out red light, leaving it the blue-green color. And then the planet is basically going to look like a blue ball. It is the least massive of the outer planets. It's only about 14 times the mass of the Earth, which is still gigantic. It is much less dense than Earth, though, and the gravity is actually weaker than on Earth's surface. I apologize, my computer's acting up. So if you could stand at the top of the clouds on Uranus, you would weigh about 10% less than what you weigh on Earth. So if you weigh 200 pounds on Earth, you would weigh 180 on Uranus. So Uranus is sideways. So it is tilted on its side. Its axis is almost parallel to its orbit. So it's kind of rolling along like a bowling ball as it does its orbit. So the reason they think this happened is because they think Uranus was struck by a planet-sized object long, long ago, and it just remained on its side. Okay, so the rings, okay, what is going on here? All right. So, Uranus also has rings and moons. Okay, what's going on here? All right, come on. All right, so rings are going to circle the planet's equator. But since it's tilted on its side, the rings are almost perpendicular to the planet's orbit. All right, and if my computer decides to stop acting up, then I will be able to complete this lesson. Thank you for your patience as my computer is being very slow. All right. So, oh, come on. Okay, come on here. Okay. I apologize. I'm trying to fix this. Okay, come on. Okay, okay, come on. Ah, there we go. Thank you for your patience. Hopefully you were able to skip ahead in the video because now it's okay. So, come on. All right. So we talked about the rings and how they're perpendicular to the planet's orbits. This was the last thing I wanted to go over, and thank you for your patience. Hopefully you were able to skip ahead in the video. So far we have discovered 27 moons around Uranus. Most of them are going to be named for characters from Shakespeare plays. The 5 largest moons are going to be called Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Oberon. So hopefully that all makes sense. Make sure you finish your questions and turn them in to me. Okay, come on. Come on.